in this video, we are going to show you how to publish your Emergent AI app to the Apple App Store. Now, if you're doing stuff here, you're creating projects, apps, websites, so on and so forth. For the most part, it's just for the Play Store, or by default, you can actually prompt your, Emergent project to do so. So as you can see here, I asked it to, be able to be launched to the App Store, not just the Play Store. It says here, requires your action cannot be automated from this container, because the main reason is not because it can't, it's because we are not using paid subscription. So we're not using Pro or Standard, right? So if you're using subscribe, or if you're subscribed, you're using Pro or Standard, you can do so. But as you can see here, iOS launch guide with 5 numbered steps and test flight, right? So we can actually, honestly, you can just launch if you want. But what are the steps, right? So publishing an Emergent AI app to the Apple App Store involves deploying your app within the Emergent platform. And you can only do that if you're subscribed, right? Securing an iOS build or IPA file and submitting it via the Apple App Store. So the IPA file, you can, again, if you're paid, you can do it yourself. It's going to create you an IPA file version of your project. And then on the Apple Store or App Store connection submission, log into your App Store account and connect with an Apple developer account, right? You need to have an Apple developer account to do so. By default, that's a given if you're doing this. After that, you need to create a new app entry and fill in all the required metadata, app name, description, screenshots, etc., and then upload the IPA file that created using Emergent, right? After that, submit the app for Apple's review process, and hopefully it gets approved. So pretty much it. That's a video. I hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next